Okay, quick summary of some of the rules that we've talked about for augmented six chords. First of all, augmented six chords, more common in minor keys. Can be in major keys. You're going to need some borrowed chords, though. But more common in minor keys. Always resolve to 5 or cadential 6/4. All of the augmented six chords share the flat 6, sharp 4, and 1 scale degrees, resolving outwards. The flat 6, sharp 4 resolve out to 5. The German has a flat 3 in there, and the French has scale degree 2 in there. For voice leading, if you're doing Italian, double the tonic on Italian, double the 1, scale degree 1, not the tonic of the chord, but scale degree 1. The rest of them don't need any doublings because they have 4 notes. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and then if anyone ever asks you, the names come from who knows where. Remember that the French is more tasty than the German. Sorry, German friends. That's it. So now you know augmented six chords.